Crypto markets today. Futures see capital outflows as WLFI looks to shore up confidence. Exchanges liquidated $370 million of crypto futures bets as Bitcoin confounded expectations for a move lower, while gold topped $3,500 an ounce for the first time. Gold rose to a record high of over $3,500 per ounce early Tuesday as Bitcoin BTC $110,801.76 continued to trade in a lackluster fashion. Data tracked by Lookonchain showed that a whale address 0xFF15 offloaded 425 BTC, worth $46.5 million, in exchange for over 10,500 ETH in the past 4 days. Meanwhile, Glassnode said that long-term holders have stepped up profit-taking, spending 97,000 BTC on Friday. By Omkar Godbole. By Shaurya Malwa. Crypto futures bets worth $370 million have been liquidated by exchanges in the past 24 hours as the Bitcoin price bounced, confounding expectations for a move lower. The liquidation led to a decline in open interest, OI, in futures tied to most of the top 10 tokens, excluding BTC. Open interest in BTC increased by over 1%, a sign of fresh capital inflows. XRP printed a spinning bottom candle on Monday, hinting at a potential bull reversal. However, OI in USD and USDt-denominated perpetuals on major exchanges fell by 5.69% alongside anemic spot trading volume. The action weakens the case for a sustained recovery. Perpetual funding rates on an 8-hour basis for BTC, ETH, and other major cryptocurrencies are hovering just above zero, indicating a slight bias toward longs on the CME. Positioning in BTC futures remains light, alongside a near-record OI of 2 million ETH in Ether futures. On Deribit, BTC options reflect downside concerns, with puts trading at a premium to calls out to December expiry. Ether options also exhibit a put bias, but not as pronounced as those of BTC. Options tied to SOL and XRP signal stronger demand for upside exposure.BTC block flows have been slightly bearish, with traders picking up the September expiry $105,000 put and writing the $135,000 call in the October expiry, alongside put calendar spreads. In ETH's case, puts at $3,800 and $4,200 were lifted. World Liberty Financial, WLFI, the Trump-affiliated DeFi project, is floating a buyback and burn program to shore up confidence after its rocky launch. Under the proposal, fees from WLFI's liquidity positions on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Solana would be used to buy tokens on the open market and permanently burn them. The design shifts the token's framing from oversupply to engineered scarcity. More trading volume equals more fees, which in turn fuels more burns. Team members say it aligns long-term holders with protocol growth, though skeptics call it optics over substance. WLFI trades at 23 cents with a $6.39 billion market cap, down 24% on the day and far below the futures market valuations above $40 billion seen at launch. A community-backed governance proposal is also circulating to stake 80% of WLFI's locked supply into pools, with rewards drawn from a 20% community reserve. Proponents say it turns idle tokens into productive assets. Critics say it's token recycling. WLFI's debut has been marred by security issues. Hackers exploited Ethereum's EIP 7702 delegate contract feature to drain tokens from unsuspecting wallets in what security researchers called a phishing-style exploit. Victims describe losing most of their allocations. One investor said they salvaged only 20% of their holdings before attackers siphoned the rest. Slowmist founder Yuxian warned the exploit triggers as soon as compromised users attempt transfers, redirecting funds to attacker wallets. Scams multiplied alongside the exploit. Bubble maps flagged WLFI bundled clones, while phishing links spread across Telegram and X, further trapping early retail buyers. The dual shock of price collapse and technical exploits underscores WLFI's fragile launch dynamics, with insider-driven supply, governance controversies, and external security risks, converging to test the project's viability.